Lumin themes natively offer quantity break functionality. This guide is a step-by-step guide to set up quantity breaks block on any Lumin theme. Go to the product page and then product information section. Add new block in product information section, search for quantity selector. Then enable quantity discount to show quantity breaks options. Configure this based on your preferences. You can edit text, change color and look of quantity break discount block. Adjust the pre-selected options and badge display for quantity breaks. Quantity allows customers to select the number of items they wish to purchase. Label, text that identifies a field or section, for example, quantity or custom message. You can adjust the option background so that the text is more visible. Label, text that identifies a field or section, for example, quantity or custom message. Caption, a short description or additional information displayed below label to provide context. Discount type. Shopify offers several types of discounts that can be applied to quantity breaks. Set the quantity to 0 if you want to hide any option. Now let's create an automatic discount. If customer buy 2 items and then he will get 20% discount. Click on discount in Shopify dashboard and then hit add discount. Select discount type amount off products and select automatic discount. In the automatic discount setup page, configure the following. Enter a name like buy 2 and get 20% off for easy identification. Select the discount type, choose percentage discount. Set the discount value. Enter 20% in the discount value field. Now define the discount conditions. In our case, we will give 20% discount on specific product, so we choose specific products discount and then select products eligible for the discount. Minimum requirements. Select minimum quantity of items. Enter 2 as the minimum number of items required to trigger the discount. You can leave rest of the settings as it is, and then hit save discount. Congratulations, you have successfully created buy 2 and get 20% of discount.